Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Avast Antivirus on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have the Avast Antivirus here, and obviously we can click on this option at the right corner and uninstall it, but I'll still show you from the beginning. Search for Avast, click on this download pointing arrow, select uninstall. It takes you to the uninstall apps page. Find the Avast app, click on these three dots, uninstall and uninstall it, and it will not completely uninstall Avast this way. But yes, this is the first part of the procedure. So click on uninstall, skip and uninstall, uninstall, and then let it uninstall. It needs a while. But then search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup, and then click on OK, and then check the boxes here. Okay, and then click on OK and then delete the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.